Some people think Fluke tools are too expensive, but this little pocket-sized meter might just change your mind. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you why you should choose it. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the FLUKE-101 Digital Multimeter and 3 things you need to know about it. Now, maybe. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd really appreciate it. Please look in the description for the URL to use to purchase this item when you add it to your toolkit. Thing number 1, this is powered by 2 AAA batteries. Now, this is one of my biggest pet peeves on test equipment is the batteries they use. What are the 2 easiest batteries to find when you're out away from the home? AA's and AAA's. This meter goes easy on the batteries, so you shouldn't expect to have to change them frequently. Thing number 2, this is the meter to use when you don't want to haul out the big guns, i.e. the 80 series. And I have one of those. I call this one Little Gun. It has the reliability of the larger multimeters, but in a much smaller package. Thing number 3, it has the basics: volt, amp, resistance, capacitance, when you don't need the features that come with the higher end multimeter. Thing number 4, and this is a bonus, I'm saving the best for last on this one, the accuracy. This is why when I've got to know very close what the value is that I'm looking for, whether it's resistance or voltage, whatever, this is why I go to Fluke. And this is the reputation they've got. With Fluke, you don't have to guess if the numbers it gives you are good. Although I do encourage you to test it on a precision tester that you see me review on my channel. So take a look at this one. Think about getting one today. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd appreciate it, and it helps the channel. Please look in the description for the URL to purchase this item. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.